Kaleo, what's today?
Friday.
No, today is Thursday.
Mario.
It's Thanksgiving. So what do you say?
Thanks. I love you.
I love you. Say Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I love you.
I love you.
Oh, I love Kaleo. Do you love Daddy?
What's that? Take a picture.
Mama's making a video of you.
I'm here. I'm
Well-
here.
Well, you can't see it now because you look. Where'd you go? So you have to get in front of it and then you can watch it.
I can go watch it.
So what are you gonna do today, Kaleo?
I bet you that.
What are you drinking?
Cider.
Apple cider.
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 How is it?
Apple cider. Is it yummy?
Here.
Okay. Say bye.
Here.
Okay, you have to say bye first.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Alligator.
Alligator. I'm here.
Okay.
See ya.
And then here's Cameron. Hi, Cameron. Oh, there you are. Hi, Cameron.
Oh wow. It's
Okay,
nice.
bye.
I don't even need my